Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing token site which name is Hybrid Ether token. So this link name is Hybrid Ether, hybridether.org. And now in my video I'm going to show you how you can join their airdrop, how we can join their pre-sale, because any token site, then when they start their journey, they offer different benefits and different profitable benefit to their holders and to their buyers. So they also offered you to their airdrop and pre-sale, where you can purchase their huge amount of token in very little amount of your dollar. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about their hybrid ether. What is hybrid ether? So before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So what is hybrid ether? Hybrid ether is a deflationary token powered by the Binance Smart Chain and platform, and a hybrid ether is community-driven fair launch deflationary token deployed on Binance Smart Chain, which focuses mainly on making community more bigger, boosting liquidity and all-time favorite burning. Three functions occur during each trade: reflation, adding more liquidity, and burn. And this is the hybridized form of Ethereum. So after this, we discuss about the tokenomics. Here name is hybrid ether and their symbol is HETH, and the total supply is 21 million and maximum transaction is 1 million, and maximum hold is also 1 million, and burn is 0 million, and initial burn is 2.5 million. So after this, we discuss about their roadmap. They have different quarters, different phases, and they have different plans in their different phases according to the time scale. And now we discuss about their quarter 3 of 2021. So number one plan is initialize hybrid ether smart contract, and other is making hybrid website, assemble team of minded warriors and DOX the team, and begin phase 1 of our marketing campaign and social media, set up Twitter contest and website listing and BS scan, social profile updates, and reach 1000 plus Telegram member. And in quarter 4 they have different plans, like initial bird, reach 2000 plus Telegram member and listening on over top 10 coin list, and partnership with the influencer and the celebrities, and the influencer and the PooCoin ads and CoinGecko listening, and coin market listening, and begin marketing phase, and tech trade audit is included in quarter 4. And in quarter 1 is 2022 healthy daily volume, daily giveaway and contest, and certic audit and CX listening, and hotbit and gate.io is included in the CX listening, and NFT marketplace, and launching hybrid swap, fundraising 1 million for the hybrid pay, and unveil super secret project to top holders include in the quarter 1 of 2022. Now you can see their other plan in quarter 2 of 2022, which is about the token to coin, and developing testnet and inviting developers to testnet, and the creating contest for testnet spreading, and mainnet launch and transforming into coin is included in their quarter 2. So after this, you can see their team member here, like CEO, who is their content manager, and who is their marketing specialist. So after this, we discuss about their fake mean frequently asked question. These are the questions that everyone should have in your mind if you have interest to follow their to invest or to buy their tokens. So first question is, what makes hybrid ether different from Ethereum? So mainly hybrid ether is hybridized form of Ethereum, and it advanced form of Ethereum. And secondly, hybrid ether has definite total supply, while Ethereum has not, which makes HETH more valuable cryptocurrency than Ethereum. So where can I buy hybrid here? Though hybrid can be purchased here. So after this, you can also see the other question also here. So after discussing about their all detail, we discuss about their pre-sale and their airdrop also. So first of all, we discuss about their social media like Telegram, Twitter, and Facebook is mentioned here. So first of all, we discuss about their Telegram. I recommend you in my every video that if you have interest, or if you want to buy their tokens or want to invest in their site, so it is very necessary for you to follow their social medias, because by following this you can easily find out every solution of your problem regarding their project. So here you can see that they joined in June and they have 305 follower in their side, and you can also see their other pinned post and other update about their regarding their website here. So this is very necessary to you to earn a profit in future, to follow and subscribe their social media like Telegram and Twitter also. So now we discuss about their pre-sale here. So if you click on the buy pre-sale here, so you can find out this page. I will also give the link of this page in my video description. You just need to copy it and go to your trust wallet. So now we discuss about how we can join and how we can purchase their token from their pre-sale now. So this is the link of their pre-sale and their airdrop. I will also give the link of this pre-sale and airdrop in my video description, and you just go to my video description and copy this link. So after copying this link, just to join their airdrop and pre-sale, you need to go to in your trust wallet and open the DApps. When you open the DApps, you need to paste the address of the this link, airdrop and pre-sale link, and search it. So when you searching it, it should keep in your mind that you need to connect the wallet with Smart Chain network. After connecting your wallet with Smart Chain network, you will find out this airdrop and pre-sale in your wallet DApps. So here you can see that this airdrop and pre-sale link is connected now with my Smart Chain network and with my wallet also. So here you can also see their pre-sale time and in after 37 days and 9 hours, and you can also see the video how it works, and you can also see their all social groups. And after this you can also see the simple introduction and of this site, and also ecosystem one marketplace. This is SEGWIT, the segregated witness SegWit integration into Ethereum include many highly technical features, all of which have greatly improved the number of the transaction per second TPS and hybrid ether blockchain can process. And it is hybrid pay a movement payment solution for e-commerce developers looking for the alternatives payment method that cryptocurrency provides safe and secure payments built on the BSC blockchain algorithm. So payment flexibility is here. So you can also see their tokenomics here. Is token allocated to the public sale for 45%, and token allocated for private sale is 25%. Pre-sale fund is 8%. Team founder is fixed their 12% for 3-month lockup, and 6% for bounty and events, and 4% for advisor and partners. And start time is 16 September 2021, and token symbol is hybrid ether, and the token supply is mentioned here, and their end time is 4th November of 2021, and token offered you can also see that, and their soft cap is 2.5 million, and their soft cap is 2.5 million. Crowd sale is 1 million, crowd sale 1 million, hard cap is 3 million. And you can also see that if you want to buy their token, just connect your wallet like me. So if you want to buy their token, just click on wallet like me. So if you want to buy their token, just click on the buy now, and here you will need to connect your wallet. Just click on the connect. When you connect it, so your wallet you receive a confirmation message here, smart contract address call. You need to approve it if you want to buy their tokens in 0.05 BNB, which is equal to $18, and you spend only $19, and their tokens will automatically added to your wallet. So this is very simple. So this is very simple way how you can buy their token, and how now we discuss how we can claim their airdrop. Just click on the claim their airdrop, and here you will also receive this smart contract call, which is equal to $1.50. Then if you approve it like me, I am approving it. So here you can need that my claim is successful, so these token are also added to my wallet. So you can also see your transfer here, and after this I claim their airdrop, and how to add to MetaMask, this is also mentioned here. So after this, if you want to make your referral link, just enter your BP20 address here and get referral link, then copy it and send to your friend and family member. Then you get 30% of BNB. Referral friend claim if referral friend claim 2000 hybrid ether, then you receive 2000 hybrid ether plus 30% BNB fees. So referral has no limit bonus. And now you can also see their roadmaps here. The August and September roadmap: initialize hybrid ether smart contract, making hybrid website, and reach 1000 plus Telegram member, and initial burn, and plus 2 reach 2000 plus Telegram member, and begin marketing phase 1 and 9 tech rate audit. And their partner is Bancor blockchain, token low loot, blockx blockchain IL, and Stockholm Green Digital Finance, and token loot, and Bancor and blockx are their partners here. So after this, you can also see there, if you want to contact with them. So simple, write your name, your email, and your message, and send it to your their Telegram group. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. This is very simple way how you can connect your wallet, and how you can purchase their token, and how you can claim their airdrop. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah.